The 2024 BMW 530i offers a compelling performance, whether in all-wheel drive, AWD, or rear-wheel drive, RWD configurations. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Despite the AWD version's slight edge in initial acceleration, the RWD model surpasses it by 60 miles per hour, completing the quarter mile in 14.1 seconds compared to the AWD's 14.3 seconds. Both versions are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, enhanced by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Equipped with the M Sport package, 21-inch wheels, and a premium audio system, these sedans promise luxury and performance. The lighter rear-drive 530i increases its lead at the end of the quarter mile, where it crosses the finish line at 14.1 seconds at 98.6 miles per hour, compared to the xDrive's 14.3 second at 96.0 miles per hour best. Despite impressive specs, the driving experience falls short of BMW's reputation. The 530i's steering lacks feedback, and the brake pedals, though effective, don't communicate impending anti-lock braking system activation. Some of this difference can also be attributed to the 530i xDrive's ability to provide a skilled driver the ability to control and maintain a greater slip angle for the full circuit, where the rear-drive version understeers stubbornly from start to finish. The drivetrain feels isolated, offering a sterile experience reminiscent of battery-powered vehicles, not a gas-powered BMW. Is AWD worth the extra cost? On dry pavement, the performance advantage is negligible. However, if you frequently encounter low traction conditions, AWD could be beneficial. While the 3 Series retains a modicum of driver engagement and pleasure, this version of the new 5 Series doesn't feel like it's produced by the same company. Meeting performance metrics is one thing, but BMW could try doing so with a little more of its traditional flair than you'll find here. Fuel economy remains consistent across both models, with an estimated 27 miles per gallon city and 35 highway, making either choice efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.